Hello and welcome to Cisco ThousandEyes. In this video, we'll provide you with a quick tour of the platform and its key capabilities to help you get started. Modern digital services operate in complex ecosystems, from data centers and cloud VPCs to the internet, creating operational blind spots. ThousandEyes eliminates these blind spots by providing end-to-end assurance across all your networks, even those you don't own. When you first log in, you'll land on dashboards, your command center for real-time visibility. Dashboards are fully customizable, with pre-built templates for common use cases and an extensive library of widgets to create your own views. Event detection and alerts automatically identify and surface significant performance issues, correlating data across multiple layers so you can focus on what matters most. The core of proactive monitoring lives in network and app synthetics. Using a global network of cloud agents and privately deployed enterprise agents, you can measure application and network performance from vantage points all over the world. Setting up tests is simple with pre-built templates for popular services like Microsoft 365, giving you immediate multi-layered visibility without complex configuration. Endpoint Experience lets you see performance from your user's perspective. Lightweight endpoint agents can be installed on laptops, desktops, compatible Cisco devices, and mobile devices. Endpoint agents capture the real-time performance of SaaS and internal apps. This helps you determine if a problem is with the user's device, their local Wi-Fi, the VPN, or the application itself. ThousandEyes also provides visibility into the external networks you depend on. Routing lets you monitor BGP to see how internet routing changes affect your services. Internet Insights leverages our global dataset to get a macro-level view of internet and application outages. And Cloud Insights gives you detailed topology and traffic flow analysis within public cloud environments like Amazon AWS and Microsoft Azure. Next, Traffic Insights gives you a clear picture of traffic patterns across your own network. By analyzing flow data from your WAN, it helps you visualize which applications are consuming bandwidth and how traffic is moving between your sites. For your physical infrastructure, Devices uses SNMP to monitor the health of your routers, switches, and firewalls. This view provides key hardware metrics and integrates directly with network path visualizations, allowing you to pinpoint infrastructure issues quickly. Finally, the Manage section consolidates all administrative functions, including alert rules, user roles, and billing. The platform's AI-powered intelligence correlates data from every layer. It integrates seamlessly with tools like ServiceNow and the broader Cisco portfolio, fitting directly into your existing workflows. That wraps up our quick overview of the ThousandEyes platform. We've covered how you can use synthetic and real user monitoring, gain visibility into external networks, and monitor your own devices and traffic. Thanks for watching, and we encourage you to explore the other videos in this series to dive deeper into each area of the platform.